How to fix a Viking refrigerator that's not cooling. There's nothing worse than a fridge that doesn't keep your food cold and stays fresh for longer. If your Viking refrigerator isn't cooling properly, there are a few things you can do to try to fix the problem. These are the following steps. Check the thermostat to make sure it's set properly. Inspect the coils and clean them if they're dirty. Make sure the door seals are tight and airtight. Then, check for any obstructions in the airflow vents. Our team of skilled and experienced technicians is expert at repairing Viking refrigerators. We have the knowledge and tools to quickly diagnose and repair any cooling issue you may be experiencing. Plus, we guarantee all of our repairs and parts, so you can rest assured that your Viking fridge will be fixed right and last longer. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us at 855-666-9755 or visit our website at viking-appliancerepair-pros.com. Subscribe for more service clarifications.